Dear students, I am here with new lecture from the chemistry chapter which is titled here as periodic classification of elements. In this lecture, I am going to discuss with you limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Before this lecture, I have already discussed Mendeleev's periodic law and some merits of his periodic law. Got it here? Now, in this lecture, we will discuss what are the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table, or in other words, you can say the shortcomings or defects or anomalies of the Mendeleev's periodic table. यानी कि Mendeleev's periodic table के अंदर कौन सी ऐसी कमियां थी जिसकी वजह से ये रिजेक्ट हुआ, बाद में हमारे सामने मॉडर्न periodic table आया. Dear students, as for the Mendeleev's periodic table is concerned, Mendeleev's periodic table it was of great help in the study of elements. But a few anomalies, or we can say the limitations, could not be explained on the basis of Mendeleev's periodic law. Dear students, the three important limitations. Dear students, the three important limitations or defects that could not be explained, or we can say, or as under. Number first, dear students, is the position of isotopes, or in other words, we can say that position of isotopes could not be explained by Mendeleev's periodic table or Mendeleev's periodic law. Dear students, you are well aware that an isotopes or the elements having same atomic number but different atomic masses. Dear students, if elements are arranged according to atomic masses, or in other words, according to the increasing atomic masses, the isotopes they should be placed in different groups because they have different atomic masses. For example, chlorine with atomic mass 35, chlorine with atomic mass 37, they are at the same place in the Mendeleev's periodic table. So this was the first defect, or we can say the position of isotopes that was not explained by Mendeleev's periodic table, because Cl35 and Cl37 they are at the same place in Mendeleev's periodic table even though they have different atomic masses. Got it here, dear students? Now, the second defect or the second limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table, that was a wrong order of atomic masses of some elements. What is it? It is in Mendeleev's periodic table, dear students, elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses. You know it now clearly that elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses in Mendeleev's periodic table. So the elements with lower atomic masses or with lower atomic mass that should come first, and the element with higher atomic mass should come later. But when elements were placed in their correct, we can say, in their correct group on the basis of their chemical properties, it was found that elements with higher atomic masses comes first. For example, cobalt with atomic mass of 58.9 comes first, and nickel with atomic mass of 58.7 comes later. So this was also not explained by the Mendeleev's periodic table. Got it here, dear students? And the third one, or we can say the third limitation or the third defect that was not explained by Mendeleev's periodic table was position of hydrogen. In Mendeleev's periodic table, dear students, hydrogen has been placed in the group first with alkali metals. You know that group first is termed as alkali metal group, and the hydrogen was placed in the group first with these alkali metals because it forms some compounds with similar formula like that of alkali metals. But in some properties, dear students, hydrogen also resembles. It shows some similar properties with that of halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc., and exist in the form of diatomic molecules like H2. So the position of hydrogen it was not also explained by Mendeleev's periodic table or Mendeleev's periodic law. Dear students, in this lecture, we got to know that there were some limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table, and the three important limitations or the defects they were position of isotopes that could not be explained, and a wrong order of atomic mass of some elements, and the position of hydrogen. Dear students, I hope so that you might have got this lecture. Inshallah, I will meet with you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.